Hi, today we're going to be doing mass-to-mass stoichiometry problems. That would be ones where you start with grams of one substance and you have to find grams of another substance. So far we've done mole to mole, mole to gram, gram to mole, and now we're going to do a little bit more in terms of figuring out how much stuff we can make with a reaction. So I'm going to give you the same reaction we've been working with, nitrogen and hydrogen reacting to form ammonia. And I'm going to ask the question this way. If I have 45.5 grams of nitrogen and I have excess hydrogen, which means we don't have to worry about it, how many grams of ammonia can I make? So we're going to start this out the way we've been starting before with our given, which is grams of nitrogen. And then remember, when we start with grams of something, we're going to have to change it to moles. And to change it to moles, we use the molar mass. And again, we put the mass itself in grams on the bottom here, and that's going to be 28 grams of nitrogen. We get that from the periodic table. And then on top, we put 1 mole of nitrogen. The next step, we're going to be doing our mole ratio. So remember, we're going from nitrogen. So moles of nitrogen goes down here. And then to ammonia, so moles of ammonia goes on top. And going back to our original equation, we had a coefficient of 1 in front of the nitrogen and a coefficient of 2 in front of the ammonia. Now my next step, so if we look at what we can cancel out grams of nitrogen, we can cancel out moles of nitrogen, we're left with moles of ammonia here, but I want to change that to grams. So to change moles to grams, again, we're going to use the molar mass. This time grams is going to be up top. And if you remember from before, 1 mole of ammonia is 17 grams of ammonia. So we write our 17 grams of ammonia over 1 mole of NH3, and then cancel diagonally like that. We're left with grams of ammonia, which is what we're looking for. And then we do the calculation. 45.5 times 1 times 2 times 17 over, put that in parentheses, 28 times 1 times 1. And when you put that in your calculator, and I'd like you to try that on your own, you should get 55.3 grams of ammonia. And that's how to do that kind of problem. So we're going to go into a little more detail with all the steps in the next video.